Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up a Gumroad account. Are you thinking about selling your digital products or services online without the hassle of dealing with complex setups? Gumroad might just be the perfect solution for you. It's a platform designed to make the selling process as straightforward as possible, allowing you to focus more on your creations and less on the technical details. So let's walk through the steps to create your Gumroad account seamlessly, setting the stage for your online selling adventure. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you prefer using. In the address bar at the top, type in gumroad.com and hit the Enter key. This will take you to Gumroad's homepage, which is designed to be both clean and easy to navigate. You should see an inviting interface, gently urging you to begin your journey as a seller. On the homepage, keep an eye out for a button that says Start Selling. It's usually placed prominently, so you can't miss it. Once you spot it, go ahead and click it. Doing so will whisk you away to the sign-up page, where the real setup begins. On the sign-up page, you'll see several options for creating your account. Now, to keep things simple and efficient, we're going to focus on signing up with Google. This method is particularly user-friendly and quick, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. Locate the Google icon and click on it. This action will prompt a new window to appear, asking you to choose the Google account you wish to connect with your new Gumroad profile. If you have multiple Google accounts, take a moment to select the one that aligns with your business or the products you plan to sell. After selecting the appropriate account, click Continue to proceed. This step securely links your Google account with Gumroad, ensuring you have a smooth login experience in the future. Next, you'll receive an important email containing an authentication token. This email will be sent to the Gmail account you've just linked. The purpose of this step is to verify your identity and keep your account secure. Head over to your Gmail inbox, find this email, and copy the authentication token provided. Return to Gumroad's sign-up page and paste the token into the designated field. This action will authenticate your account setup. Once you've pasted the token, click on Login, and just like that, you'll be welcomed into your brand new Gumroad dashboard. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Gumroad account. This is a pivotal step toward your exciting journey in the world of online selling. Now that your account is ready, it's time to explore the Getting Started guide offered by Gumroad. This guide is packed with comprehensive instructions on managing your store, uploading your products, and beginning your selling journey. Take your time to go through these resources thoroughly, as they will help you optimize your storefront and make the most of what Gumroad has to offer. With your account all set up and a wealth of resources at your fingertips, you're now well prepared to embark on the thrilling journey of selling on Gumroad. That's it for this tutorial on how to set up a Gumroad account. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.